Hi guys, this is the new activity. Okay, so for this activity you have to copy the link. Okay, and after that you have to type the nickname. Okay, which is going to be your last name and your name, as I gave you the paper with it. Now you have to choose one of these three structures from the Parque Europa in order to build the 3D model. As an example, I will show you how to build the pattern with Tinkercad. Okay, and I hope after that you are able to build your own structure. Okay, this is an use of imagination, so you don't have to build these structures for real. Okay, but is a really good mm, app that we can use for modeling structures. Okay, so let's go to crear diseño 3D, and while it opens, okay, I'm going to take the pattern on picture. Okay, we have like a stair with different steps. We're going to build that now. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so we take a cube. Okay, and we are going to make a big cube using control, pressing control, and then using the arrow we can move easier. This is too big, so let's make it smaller. You can see always the measures here. 5 centimeters is going to be enough. I don't like this color, so we change it. Okay, I think it's fine. Now we copy it and paste it. Okay, we're going to elevate it a little bit. Okay, so it's still in contact, but we need a smaller one. Maybe for this I need another view here. You can scroll in order to see it from farther, and okay, more or less you have the measures downside, so you could do something more appropriate, but this has to be fast video. Okay, so this is the idea. Okay, just as an example, of course we don't need this for the pattern, but how do you unfill an object? Okay, so we have this cylinder. Okay, have this cylinder, it's going to be this color, and to unfill it, it's going to be Control C, Control V, then Hueco, and we want something smaller. We change the point of view. Okay, and you could just change this however you want. Okay, if I decide to form this moon shape, okay, I would say click, click. Okay, in order to protect the downside, I'm going to unify them. Okay, it's blocked, so now I can choose. I'm supposed to choose these other two. Let's see if I can or no. Okay, here we go. So agrupar, Control G. So this is our new moon shape pillar, okay, or column. So this is the idea. You can unfill everything in your model. You could even change the shape to, for example, Control D. Okay, this is very useful. You press now here too. Sometimes, okay, Control D, and okay. Now I mind this is a table. Okay, this is not for the pattern, but I think it's useful. So we could agrupar everything, collect everything here. Okay, Control G, and now we could. Well, what's going on? It's supposed to be everything. Okay, it was blocked. It was blocked. Okay, now I should be able. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so this is going to be our table. 180. Okay, this is the idea of how this app works. So what I did here is setting 2 or 3 columns. I put this, I think it's capital, on the upper side, and then I copy it. Now I should be able to Control D and move them. Whoa. What's going on? Okay, maybe it's better like that. The view is very important, okay? The point of view is very important. Okay, do you see it? I think it's pretty cool. Now we could go directly to the back in order to copy. Okay, yes. All of these, Control D, and that's supposed to be same position. Okay. Now we could add the beam, which if I don't remember, something like that, and something like that. Quick reminder, see it from different points. So this could be like here, maybe it's narrower. Whoa, sorry. Control Z is really useful. Like this tool here. Too big again. We change the color again. And I don't know if we need anything else. Maybe these 2 triangles, okay? I expect something better because you have more time than I do now. So, okay, I'm going to Control. Sorry. Okay, here. Control D. This is faster than it likes that. Okay, here, this one. Okay, let's change the view. Whoa. Here. Okay, this is something similar to what we want. Nope. Okay, 90 degrees. Something bigger here. I think it was like this, right? Get to the middle between these 2. Copy B. 180, and then we move it here. Don't worry, I will change the color now. And okay, so this is more or less the idea of what you have to do for this task. Please remember to check every part of the model so it is easier to, okay, something like that. Remember that you can block everything that you don't want to move, but you have to be accurate with what you choose. So now should be able to, sorry, these two. Okay, Control D. We can change the point of view, and there we go. So this is the idea.